And then are there some core maintenance tasks that need to be kept in mind when you're using a cutter?
Yeah, so vinyl cutters in general are super low maintenance. It's not like a printer that needs to have the print heads cleaned and system flushed periodically or things like that. Some basic consumable items. So over time, obviously you're cutting, so you're going to wear out your blade. That's probably going to be your biggest consumable part, and that's the one that we most often recommend people keep on hand in their shop. But your blade holder could possibly wear out over time as well. There's very small bearings in there that can get jammed up with dust and small bits of vinyl and things like that. And then your cutting strip is another key component too. Really, the cutting strip is there as a backstop in case you do cut with too much pressure. It keeps from damaging the machine. And so it's a Teflon strip that's replaceable. Usually, you're only replacing that if you notice a lot of damage or you see a reduction in your cutting quality, like maybe some skipping in your designs and things like that. Lastly, the pinch rollers and the pinch roller wheels. Those will wear out sometimes, or they will get jammed up, or sometimes the pinch roller will just break. But like on all the cutters that US Cutters sells, all those parts are replaceable. We keep them in stock, and they're real easy to get your hands on should you need to maintain that type of stuff.